to my skincare routine. I highly recommend Environ. It's a medical grade skincare line that houses all the ingredients and vitamins that our skin needs to keep it healthy, but also to heal it from the inside out. So my normal skincare routine, both morning and night, is typically I start off with a cleansing lotion. I find that it's much gentler on the skin. It doesn't foam, so sometimes people don't like it just because it doesn't foam, but I really like it because it's very gentle and cleansing to the skin without being abrasive to it and drying like some foaming cleansers might be. My next step, which is something that I used to skip a long time ago, is my toner. I never go without it now. It's really good for just balancing the pH of your skin and allowing for absorption of products that we will add on after that. So you can apply it to a gauze and gently tap it on the skin, or just pour a couple drops on your hands and your fingertips and apply to the skin. Next step, once that's absorbed nicely, I go on to my Youth Essentia eye gel. I do like maybe half a little pump of it. I apply it to my ring fingers. I apply gently to the bottom of my eye. You can even do it above on the eyelids as well. If I ever have any extras, I put it here and also on my smile lines as well. Next step, you can cocktail these two together, which is my sequence. This has high amounts of vitamin A that help heal our skin from the inside out, but also repair any damage that we have on the surface of our skin. So I will do a pump of my sequence and a pump of my defense cream, which will then give me extra antioxidants to keep my skin healthy and looking hydrated. Of course, I always top it off with sunscreen in the morning and I'm good to go. These are the products that I like to use, but a normal skincare routine should include a cleanser, then a toner, some sort of serum or eye cream of your choice, a moisturizer, and always a sunscreen that's going to protect your skin all day.